Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create lens flare transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. To begin, I added 2 clips in my timeline. Now add new adjustment layer and make duration 20 seconds. Move 10 frames to right. Now move 10 frames to left. Now we add lens flare effect. Click flare center, add keyframe and move to left. Then add one more keyframe, move to right. Now add keyframe for flare brightness. Make starting and ending value 0 and increase value for center keyframe. Transition is ready. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe. See you next time.